everyone, welcome to episode 7 of the News November series. ITC has announced its results for quarter 2 2021. Let's see how ITC performed this quarter. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो please subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. ITC is one of the India's foremost private sector companies. ITC has a diversified presence in FMCG, hotels, packaging, paperboards, specialty paper and agribusiness. Competitive advantage. It is one of the biggest cigarette makers in India. Second, diversified range of products from FMCG, hotels, etc. Now let's look at the financials of ITC. The net profit in the quarter was rupees 3,418 crore, down by 18% from the same quarter an year ago. ITC के expenses थे rupees 9,164 crore in the September quarter, an increase of 8% compared to rupees 8,455 crore in the same period an year ago. For ITC, the operating environment was extremely challenging during the quarter because of increase in daily COVID cases and localized. Now let's look at the sector-wise revenue. Its revenue from the hotel business fell sharply to rupees 81.96 crore from rupees 426 crore in the year before. The hotel business has been severely impacted due to coronavirus outbreak and lockdown. Revenue from the agri-business surged to rupees 2,985 crore from rupees 2,647 crore in the year ago period and saw a 12% increase in it. Within FMCG sector, cigarette revenue decreased by 4%, but other products in FMCG sector saw a stable increase of 15%. Now let's talk about the price of ITC. Current market price is rupees 173 and COVID times में it even reached a low of 135. But ITC has not been able to come to its pre-COVID price जबकि बाकी बहुत सारे stocks recovery कर चुके हैं. ITC has proved to be a laggard stock. Even for long-term investors, it is not a recommended stock. I hope you got a quick review of ITC and its current position in the market. To like the video, share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance. And don't forget to press the bell icon.